Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW E46, this is the 3 Series BMW from year 1998 to 2006, and you guys trying to locate the side crash impact sensors on your BMW E46, stay with us, we will show you where they're located, a very hidden location. That's what we'll be covering today, guys. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on E46. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about the content. So let us show you what needs to be done now and how to find those sensors. So as you can see, guys, the seats are removed on this BMW E46. We removed the passenger seat, and in addition we removed the driver's seat as well. The video, guys, will be on the channel. We'll show you how to remove the driver's seat. The passenger seat is exactly the same way, nothing different, and that's what the car looks like, guys. Now this is a convertible, but I think it should be the same for the sedan as well. So now, guys, once you remove your seats, you will need to remove your trim molding right here, that trim piece. You're going to lift your carpet up. Okay, and right here, guys, okay, this is your side crash impact airbag sensor for the right side of the vehicle. These guys right here made by Bosch. Now, every time you remove the seat or you disconnect one of those, you have to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you do that, because that's part of the airbag system. All you have to do once you do that, you have 2 screws, one here, one there, and disconnect the wire by lifting that thing up and pull it out. Super simple. You have some ground wires, careful not to damage anything here. This is for the passenger side. Let's go now, okay, to the driver's side and show you what we have there as well. So the driver's side is, okay, things are a little bit different, and I'm going to explain to you why now. First, when you lift the carpet, guys, okay, let's lift that carpet up. You're going to notice that you will have that box in that corner there, like that. This is your traction control sensor. You will need to remove the traction control sensor to get to the airbag sensor. And the video is on the channel. If you want to see the detailed video, it's there. Check it out. And you can see, okay, that box goes like that here. So you will not be able to see it at first because it will be hidden like that. And once you remove your traction control sensor, your airbag side crash impact sensor will be right here. So super easy, guys. You can see it to locate after that. So that's where they are, guys. We'll have video for the codes and all that stuff on the channel. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any specific requests for videos, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.